Let's take a look inside balcony cabin 5202 on board the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. Inside we have a couch, artwork, lamp, bedside table with the bedside lamp, has a USB and USB-C plug on it, storage in the table, queen size bed splits into two twins. There's an elephant. Another lamp, same outlets, same storage. The balcony, two small chairs, a small table, nice view of Cozumel currently. That's why we get the balcony, so we can sit out here and enjoy the view. Back inside we have a TV with your usual limited channels, ice bucket, waters for sale, a little bit of storage inside here, your mini fridge inside this cabinet, adequate size, desk, outlets, one US, one European. I brought my own power adapter, hair dryer in this drawer, and then three additional drawers, stool, trash can, closets, three closets. This one has your life jackets, small safe, not large enough for a laptop. I got a tablet in there, and that's about it. Oop. Full-length mirror. Second closet, two bars, lots of hangers. This closet has one shelf, one bar, hangers, and then the bathroom. Inside you got the shower wand, products, so shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Shower controls, shower curtain, no glass door on that one, but it's big enough for me to turn around, no problem, not stick to the curtain. Toilet, towels, you can see this has been lived in for a little bit. Shelves on both sides of the mirror, large mirror, sink. Underneath you got your trash can and the other shelves for extra toilet paper and sanitary disposal. So that's it. Cabin 5202, balcony cabin aboard the Margaritaville at Sea Islander.